Get in your PC or smartphone. Open any web browser. Search for AnTuTu Benchmark or enter the link in the description. Open the official website. Do like, share, and subscribe before moving forward. Here go to ranking. Select your device type from the following 4 options. Here find your device name, like I see Galaxy S24 Ultra. Its CPU score, 447,251. GPU score. Memory. User experience. And the total AnTuTu score. You can even see the graph, ranking from top scoring phones to the low ones. A number of smartphones are scored here. You can even download the software here in your smartphone for a precise experience.